Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny here, and we have another video. Yep, another one with the huge diamond painting surprise friend mail that I got from Rebecca. So let's continue. So I'm gonna reach in the box and see what we've got. All right, this one says Blue Moth. So let's see what we got here. I think it goes this way. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is a 40 by 30 full drill. And let me just roll this up other direction. I love the color blue, so it's right up my alley. Okay, so it's going to go this way. Look at that. Blues and black. Look at all that color blocking. That won't take very long, will it? So we got 12 colors. And there's the key. And we've got a clear drill field. And the drills are in individual bags. Look at all those blues and dark blues, some whites, lots of whites. Yeah, look at that. Round drills. Oh man, I like that. And here's what it's going to look like. Almost looks like, instead of a moth, a pretend butterfly. It's so pretty. I don't remember seeing moths that pretty. But yeah, that is nice. I like that. Okay, roll her up and get to the next one. I am so excited. I have liked every single one of these so far. Okay, here is the next one, and she says, special drills, an owl, green background. All right, let's look at this. I love the special drills. I'm going to have a lot of them to do. Okay, this is going to go this way. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. So this is a 30 by 30, and this is a partial. And yeah, we do need to look at the drills. And the drill field is really good. Look at those eyes. I like that green. I'm curious to see. Let me roll this the other way. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. Yep. I can hardly wait to see what these look like. Oh man, I am going to have lots of special drills to do. Okay, we've got, and these are the crystal rhinestones. You can tell that by the silver back. And we've got some purples, and we got some greens. Nice. Let's see what else we got. We have silver. Let me see if I can get my light a little bit better here. Okay, we've got some silvers, some pinks, greens. Oh, here we go. Special shapes. Yeah, I love special shapes. Oh, those are nice. Yeah, and these are the kind that twinkle, twinkle in the light. I like that. Oh man, he's a cutie too. Cutie patootie. Put these back in the bag real quick. Oh man, I like the special drills. I won't have to be getting special drills for a while, will I? Nice. I love that green background. Oh, that is nice. Yep. Okay. Just never know what's gonna be in here. She knows that I like my owls, so I've got quite a few of those to do. All right. Next up. Whoops, dropped the drills on this one. Okay, so the drills came out, so I do know this is special drills. Okay. And, oh, whoa. So this is a partial. Hang on one second, I'll roll it backwards. Oh my gosh, look at those eyes. Beautiful blue eyes. Oh, cute nose. Look at that. 30 by 30 partial. And clear, clear, clear drill field. And these are in already kit up, if that's like how you like to do it. I'm opening. All right, let's see what we get this time. Oh my gosh. A purple. There's that blue again. Ooh, aren't those pretty? Oh, I got the hiccup, sorry. Pink, more pinks, silver, ooh, a pretty blue. Oh, wow, yeah, and these are the crystal rhinestones. Yep. That's going to be fun to do, and quite a bit to do, actually, for a partial special drills. That's a lot on there. You don't see that very often. He is a cutie. I think that's it could be just about anything, couldn't it? You know, some dogs look like that. I'm going to say it's a dog. Although, I don't know if dogs have blue eyes, but I like that. It's very, very colorful. A lot of these have really nice colors to them. Okay, and I'm going to mark this as special drills. There we go. Yeah, I love it. All right. Reaching down in the box. This, uh-oh, another one. Oh my gosh, does she know me or what? Oh, Rebecca. I can't believe that you would give away special drills. All right, this one's gonna go, oh, look at this one. 30 by 30, partial. Special drills and shapes. Oh my gosh, look at the colors on that. So we only have 5 colors on this one, but this is going to be absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And we've got this, since there's only 5 here. Yeah, they're the kind that change colors. We got greens and pinks. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is going to be gorgeous. This is beautiful. I love those colors together. Just, it's more vibrant in person. Oh, wow. Yep. I like it. Yep, I'm going to have a special drill month. Okay. Factual design. That's interesting. Let's see what that is. It's going to go this way. Whoa, 40 by 30, full drill. Let me just roll it up the other way real quick. There we go. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So we have 20 colors, 40 by 30, full drill. And here's the key. Drill field is readable. Wow. And look at these colors. Very, very vibrant. Oh, look at that pink. Let me turn it this way. Oh, wow. This is going to be beautiful to do. I like how it kind of goes, you know, the colors just kind of boom and scatter. Here's the thumbnail of it. Wow. That's going to come alive once you put down these drills. It's just going to pop and sizzle. I like that. Okay. Let's take a gander at this one. A 30 by 48. I've never had a 30 by 48 before. Interesting. Let's see what this one is. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That was a shockeroni. Oh my goodness. Tita has her eyeball. Yep, I got lips. Okay, so let's look at the key. Nice clear drill field. Lots of color blocking. This will not take very long at all. And look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one makes me smile. Now, I would have never bought anything like this, but seeing it in person, oh yeah, I like this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's pretty cool. These are all paintings that I have not seen before. Amazing. Okay, let's reach in here for the next one. Hard time getting this one out. There we go. Okay, it's gonna go this way. I'm gonna roll this back. I'm not looking at it. I'm not a peeking. Okay. Oh, it's another little owl. And look at those eyes. Is that adorbs or what? 19 colors. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love those eyes. The 30 by 30 full drill. Oh my gosh, that is cuteness overload. And got our drills here. Take a peek. Yeah, we're gonna have whites and blacks, some browns, red. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a pretty blue there. That is cute. I think it's an owl. I'm not really for sure. What do you guys think? I thought an owl at first, but then I saw this. It could be an owl. I think it is. Here's the thumbnail. Woo, woo. Yep, with the moon behind. Yep. That is cute. I like that. All right, where are we at? 16 minutes. We can do one more. And then I'll let you go. Now, I'll have to put that in the bag later. If I don't want to waste any time, I want to see what's next. All right, this one says family. Okay. There we go. And I think we will go ahead and roll it. I won't peek. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is nice. 40 by 30. Full drill field. 21 colors. And there's the key. Drill field is nice. Oh my goodness. Now that has a lot of colors. Nice. Some hearts, flowers. That is cute. I like these that are big because you can read them. Okay, and we've got greens and reds and some browns. Wow. Look at all those colors in there. Nice. Wow, I like that. I do look forward to that one. So far, every one has been a winner. Okay, and we are at 18 minutes, so I'm going to let you go. And I appreciate you, everybody stopping by and watching the video. And if you liked it, yep, give me that old thumbs up. And if you have not become one of my friends, hey, I'd like to have you as my friend. So hit the friend button, aka subscribe. And yeah, and be sure, I think I forgot to say, leave comments down below what you think of these canvases. And again, Rebecca, you're outdoing yourself. I'm still having a good time. It's still birthday and Christmas here. All right, I will chat with you later.